Good morning, everyone. I'm Harry from Model 3D. So today's topic is overcome the cosmetic defect with sequential valve gating simulation. And this is our outline today. So first of all, I will introduce you the overview of common surface defects, such as the wall line, stretch mark issues. And also, I will introduce how to use our Model 3D solution for predicting or improving the surface defects. And then I will introduce the sequential valve gating technology, how the sequential valve gating technology can help us to improve this kind of the surface finish quality. And also, Model 3D also provides you the sequential valve gating solutions. Then further, we will introduce you the Model 3D advanced horizontal simulation capabilities and also our state-of-the-art pin movement technology. Then finally, we will introduce you the customer's case study to let you know how our solution can really improve the real issue surface defects. Okay, so first of all, this is the overview of common surface defects. The surface defects can be various, and the first one, the most intuitive one, is the wall line issues. Of course, Model 3D can help you to predict where is your wall line and also help you to judge the wall line qualities. And the following, we will introduce you the SIM mark. Model 3D also provides you this result to investigate your SIM mark problem. And also, we will introduce you the flow mark and also the stretch mark. The flow mark can be caused from the hesitation effect, and the stretch mark can be caused from the material property. So we will introduce you our solutions for predicting this kind of defects and help you to find the solution. And for the wall line issues, it will relate to the injection molding process conditions, such as the gate location, or your melt temperature, or your mold temperature.